Good morning, QSI Benin Lions. Today is Thursday, 30 April. Hello, everybody. I hope everybody's well. I hope you're feeling good. I want you to know that tomorrow is a day off of school, and I want to thank everybody for the hard work they've been doing lately. I'm hearing a lot of success stories from the teachers, and I want to let you know that your teachers are very proud of you, and your parents are as well. And I thank you all for the very hard work you've been doing. I know there's some Zoom classes today, and I know that you should have some fun work to be doing on Moodle. And I want to thank again all of the students for what they're doing right now in this sometimes difficult time. And I hope that you still have time to be with your family. I hope you still have enough time to enjoy yourself. Tomorrow is a day off. Please rest and relax in this 3-day weekend. And we wish you all the best. Thanks a lot.